friends, for the art center today, you're going to need your paper plate, some red paint or a red crayon or red marker, and then your crab pieces that we have here, okay? Now, the very first thing we're going to do is you're going to paint your entire plate red. Remember, if you are not painting, you're just going to color or use a marker. So go ahead and paint your entire plate red. Make sure you get all the spots. Okay, friends, so if you look, I have my whole entire plate painted red, and then I actually let one of them dry for a little bit. So mine's a little bit more dry. So before you do this next part, let it dry a little bit. Then we're going to fold it over. We're going to fold it in half, and then Mommy and Daddy will need to help you with this part. You're going to go ahead and staple it, okay? So I'm going to put some staples in it. So Mom and Dad will need to help with this part. If you don't have a stapler, you could always use tape, okay? So tape or glue, hot glue if that works if you have it. Okay, so now I have it folded in half, my little crab. And look at the part that I have at the top. I have the fold at the top. So now we're going to add our crab's pincers. They're little pincers, so these red, okay? I'm going to put some glue. And again, remember when we're gluing on plates, sometimes we use a little more glue. I know we usually say just a dot, not a lot, but for some of these crafts, we might need to use a little more glue. So I'm adding my glue, okay? All right, that's all glued on. Then I'm going to grab my black pieces of paper, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces of black paper. We're going to use 2 up here, okay? So we're going to use these 2. Ready? 1, 2, remember the eye stalks. So we're going to glue those on. The other 8 are going to be our crab's legs. Okay, so I'm going to put glue on those, and I'm going to put these for our crab's legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of a space. And I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to kind of line them up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Now, the very last thing is you have some googly eyes in your bag. We are going to glue on the crab's eyes. Now remember, Mom and Dad might have to help you use hot glue or wet glue to get these googly eyes to stick. We can try a little bit of our glue stick, but sometimes you need that hot glue or wet glue, that bottled glue, to help them stick. All right, my friends, so there we have it. You have your crab. I can't wait to see these crabs. Remember, friends, you might have to let your paper plate dry for a little bit before you're able to staple it. All right, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.